Test Series 9. First question. Headquarters of Northeastern Railway is located at which of the following cities? Option A Guwahati, B Gorakhpur, C Kolkata, D Bhubaneswar. So the correct answer is option B Gorakhpur. Second question. In 1866, Dadabhai Naoroji has founded East India Association in the following city. Option A Paris, B London, C New York, and D Tokyo. So the correct answer is London. Dadabhai Naoroji has founded East India Association in London. Option B is the correct answer. Third question. In which of the following sessions did Indian National Congress split into moderate party and extremist party? Option A Nagpur, B Allahabad, C Surat, D Kolkata. So here option C Surat is the correct answer. In Surat, the president of the Surat session is Raj Bihari Ghosh, and it took place in the year 1907. Okay, the Kolkata session, the second session of Kolkata was presided by Dadabhai Naoroji, and the only session where Mahatma Gandhi was presided is Belgaum session in the year 1924. So here for this third question, option C is the correct answer. That's why we call it Surat split. Why? Because the Congress split into moderate party and extremist party. Fourth question is, who among the following was the first Governor General of India? Option A Lord Amherst, B Lord William Bentinck, C Lord Metcalfe, D Robert Clive. So the first Governor General of India was Lord William Bentinck. And who is the first Governor General of Bengal? He is Warren Hastings. Okay. So here the correct answer is option B. Fifth question. After 1857, who among the following had declared in the court in Allahabad about transfer of India's administration to the British Crown? Option A Lord Cannon, B Sir John Lawrence, C Lord Mayo, and D Northbrook. So here option A Lord Cannon is the correct answer. He has declared the transfer of India's administration to the British Crown. Okay, so sixth question. Which area of India receives least rainfall? Option A Eastern Rajasthan, B Western Tamil Nadu, C Western Ghats, and D Ladakh. So the correct answer is option D Ladakh. Seventh question. Which is not an insectivorous plant? Option A pitcher plant, B bladderwort, C butterwort, and D hornwort. So the correct answer is option D hornwort. Eighth question. Honeybee and ants are related to which class? Option A insect, B bacteria, C hopper, and D none. So the correct answer for this is insect. Okay, honeybee and ants are related to insect class. Option A is the correct answer. Ninth question. The kind of economy India has is option A socialist, B mixed, C capitalist, and D rural. So here option B is the correct answer. India has a mixed type of economy. Here mixed type of economy means it combines private and public enterprise. And the socialist economy means an economic and political system based on public ownership by means of production. And capitalist means completely private ownership. Okay, so here for this option B is the correct answer. 10th question. 0 hour is option A time to consider the resolution presented by opposition in the House, B leisure time, C when very important issues are taken up in the House, D dinner time of Lok Sabha. So the correct answer is option C. So when very important issues are taken up in the House, then 0 hour, then it is called 0 hour. So 11th question. How many times Lok Sabha can be summoned in a year? Option A 2 times, B 4 times, C 6 times, and D 3 times. So it can summon for at least 2 times. So option A is the correct answer. 12th question. How many members can Indian President nominate to Rajya Sabha? Option A 10, B 11, C 15, D 12. So the correct answer is option D 12. So Article 80. Okay, Article 80 mention that this president can nominate to Rajya Sabha 12 members having special knowledge or practical experience in respect to literature, science, art and social service. So as per Article 80, he can nominate 12 members in the Rajya Sabha. Now coming to 13th question, who founded Satya Shodhak Samaj? Option A Rajaram Mohan Roy, B Sri Narayana Guru, D Jyoti Rao Govinda Rao Phule, D Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So here option C is the correct answer. Jyoti Rao Govinda Rao Phule, that is Jyoti Ba Phule. Sorry. So option C is the correct answer. It is Jyoti Rao Govinda Rao Phule. Okay. So here Rajaram Mohan Roy founded Brahmo Samaj, and Sri Narayan Guru, he actually led a reform movement in Kerala by rejecting caste system and promoting new values of spiritual freedom and social equality for the upliftment of downward caste. Okay, so he is Sri Narayana Guru is a social reformer, and Rajaram Mohan Roy founded Brahma Samaj, and Jyoti Rao Govindra Phule founded Satya Shodhak Samaj, and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, he is also a social reformer, and he fought for the widow remarriage, Hindu widow remarriage. So overall for 13th question, option C is the correct answer. 14th question, the boundary of which of the following state does not touch Myanmar? Option A Mizoram, B Manipur, C Nagaland and D Tripura. So option D Tripura is the correct answer. 15th question, which of the following rivers does not fall in Bay of Bengal? Option A Mahanadi, B Tapi, C Godavari and D Krishna. So option B Tapi. Why? Because Narmada and Tapi are the two rivers which flow in the western direction in the South India. Okay. So all these three, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, fall in Bay of Bengal, but Tapi and Narmada doesn't fall. It falls in Arabian Sea. Okay, option B is the correct answer for that. So 16th question, highest peak in South India is Anaimudi, B Dodabetta, C Amarkantak, D Mahendragiri. So the correct answer is Anaimudi. Okay, it has the height of 2695 meters. Okay, it is in Eravikulam National Park, and it is the highest peak in Western Ghats in Kerala. Okay, now next Dodabetta. Dodabetta is the highest mountain in Nilgiri Hills. Okay, it is in Tamil Nadu, and the third highest peak in South India. And Amarkantak is in Madhya Pradesh, and it is the meeting point of the Vindhya range and the Satpura range. Is that clear, guys? Amarkantak is in Madhya Pradesh. It is the meeting point of Vindhya range and Satpura range. And Mahendragiri is in Odisha and is situated in the Eastern Ghats, and it is also a biodiversity hotspot due to numerous medicinal plants and other species. So that is about this mountains, and here overall option A is the correct answer. 17th question, at high altitudes the red blood cells, option A increase in size, B decrease in size, C increase in number, D decrease in number. So it increases in number. Okay, at high altitudes the red blood cells increase in number. Option A is the correct answer. 18th question, the folk dance Ghumar belongs to which of the following states? Option A Jammu and Kashmir, B Punjab, C Himachal Pradesh and D Rajasthan. So the correct answer is option D Rajasthan. 19th question, Dronacharya Award is presented to a, option A sports coach, B chess champion, C hockey player, D cricket player. So option A, that is sports coach, is a correct answer. Dronacharya award is presented to a sports coach. 20th question, the book The Insider, okay, quote is not there. Insider was written by option A, P.V. Narasimha Rao, B. Shobhabe, C. Vikram Chandra, D. Kushwant Singh. So the correct answer is option A, P.V. Narasimha Rao. Okay, so here the book The Insider was written by P.V. Narasimha Rao. Quote is not there. Please do correct it. 21st question. Almaty Dam has been an issue of dispute between option A, Karnataka and Kerala, B, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, C, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and D, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. So it is a dispute between Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. 22nd question. What happens when water is condensed into ice? Option A, heat is absorbed, B, heat is released, C, quantity of heat remains unchanged, D, none. So here option A, heat is absorbed, is a correct answer. 23rd question, where was the capital of Pandya dynasty situated? Option A, Mysore, B, Kanchipuram, D, Madurai, and C, Madurai, and D, Delhi. So here option C, Madurai is the correct answer. The capital of Pandya dynasty is Madurai. Okay, here the Kanchipuram is famous for its Kanchipuram silk sarees. Okay, and it is known for its temple architecture and huge temple towers. So it is the capital of Pallava dynasty. Madurai is the capital of Pandya dynasty. Kanchipuram is capital of Pallava dynasty. Okay, so for Pandya dynasty, option C, Madurai, is the correct answer. 24th question, Tripitaka is a scripture of option A, Jain religion, B, Hindu religion, C, Buddhist religion, and D, Muslim religion. So here option C is the correct answer. Tripitaka is the scripture of Buddhist religion. Option C is the correct answer. 25th question, which of the following is common in both Jainism and Buddhism? Option A, non-violence, B, violence, C, Triratna, and D, truth. So the correct answer is non-violence. It is common in both Jainism and Buddhism. Option A is the correct answer. And here Triratna. What is Triratna? It is related to the Jain religion, and the Triratna has three rules. One is right faith, right knowledge, right conduct. Okay, the right faith is called Samyak Darshana, and the second one is right knowledge. It is called Samyak Jnana, and the third is right conduct. Right conduct means Samyak Chaitra.